Hey there, Frost students! You're just in time for my next tour, an exploration to the center of the Earth that really rocks. Did I say rocks? Did you know that that is what the Earth's layers are mainly composed of? We start our tour at the uppermost layer of our planet, the crust. Let's go take a better look. The crust is 70 kilometers thick and 250 degrees Celsius. However, the temperature really depends on where you are. The higher the elevation, the cooler it is. What's really unique about the crust is that it has all different kinds of geological features, such as soil, mountains, and even oceans. The pressure is pretty low here on the ground, but that'll change the deeper we go. All right, time to go deeper. We're just underneath the surface. Let's go take a look at Earth's crust. This looks like a pretty good place to start. Under the crust, you can find stalactites, stalagmites, flowstones, and columns. Even in the crust, you can find some natural streams. Under the crust, we even have some calcite. We are almost at Earth's second layer from the top, the upper mantle. While I catch my breath here, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's hot, very hot. The mantle can get up to 900 degrees Celsius, and because of the heat transfer, that makes for one hot tour guide. Whew. The good news is that the upper mantle is a malleable and putty-like state, so we're going to see some unique-looking rocks. And because I'm a pretty good swimmer, the journey won't be too difficult to the lower mantle. The upper mantle is about 670 kilometers thick, so it's a good thing I can hold my breath for a while. As for you, well... Oh, I almost forgot to remind you guys to keep swallowing because the pressure in here is pretty high and is only going to get higher. All right, time to go deeper. And deeper. And deeper. Sorry about that. My ears just popped under all this pressure. We aren't even at the upper mantle yet, but I found another nice cave where I can rest and you guys can learn about the lower mantle. The lower mantle is around 2,200 kilometers thick and is sadly hot, solid rock that I'm going to have to mine all the way through to get to the outer core. The lower mantle is the second part of the upper mantle, so it is still the second layer of the Earth. Like I just mentioned, the temperature is very hot, some 4,000 degrees Celsius hot. Hot currents rise from heated rock and cold air sinks from cooler rocks. At least I won't be too hot because I'm cool and I rock. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's go. Come on, let's go. If you look up, you can see some amazing stalactites formed by the dripping of water over thousands and thousands of years. Take one last good look at them because we're almost at the upper mantle and we're going straight through to the outer core. Okay, we're just about to reach the outer core, or the third layer of the Earth. It's going to take a little while to get to the inner core because I have to get all of us through 2,266 kilometers of molten iron and nickel material. We're going to have to shift our way through to the inner core because the outer core is like hot tar. The temperature is going to be the hottest yet, 5,500 degrees Celsius. The heat will circulate by convection and also conduction. If you're feeling like your skull is going to explode, it's perfectly normal. Your body is just responding to all of the enormous amounts of pressure down here. Time to move on, and please remember to keep your arms and legs inside the hot plastic substance at all times. Congratulations!
most of us have successfully made it to the Earth's inner core. Isn't it beautiful? This right here is the centermost part of the Earth and the fourth layer down. It is 1,216 kilometers thick, which, besides the crust, is the thinnest layer. The inner core is also the hottest layer, precisely 7,202 degrees Celsius. It is composed mainly of iron and, yes, there's also some nickel and oxygen. These materials are experiencing so much heat that they should be in a liquid state, but the pressure is so extreme here that they have to remain solid. According to scientists, the inner core has a circulation of heat in the overlying mantle. Well, that's it for today's tour, folks. Thanks for coming. Be sure to recommend us to your friends and give us an A+ rating. And good luck getting out of here.